To get rid of callus on feet naturally. Feet are a very important part of human body, but no one really takes the necessary measures to ensure that they are healthy and smooth. Calluses are one of the most common feet-related problems. Calluses occur when the layer of our skin thickens due to stimulation from an external source, such as friction or localized pressure. This thickening is meant to protect the innermost layer of the region where the callus has formed. Calluses are not painful, but in some cases they can be very uncomfortable. When they are not treated, they can become very deep and sore. In this video, we will show you some natural remedies to help get rid of calluses once and for all. Soiled foot bath. This recipe is very useful for the people that have very painful calluses. Soak your feet in some water with sea salt and your favorite essential oil for about 20 minutes. Then rub some lotion on your feet and wrap them in plastic wrap for an hour. Once you remove the plastic wrap, exfoliate your feet with a peppermint stone, baking soda. Make a paste with 2 spoonfuls of baking soda and 1 spoonful of warm water. Rub it on your callus and massage the area for about 20 minutes. Next, rinse it off. Exfoliate with the pump sandstone and apply lotion. Lemon juice. Cut a slice of lemon and place it on your callus. Then tape it on your foot with athletic tape. The next day, use a pumice stone to remove the callus. Chamomile foot bath. Make a chamomile infusion and soak your foot in it. Once it cools off, after you have soaked, softly exfoliate with the pumice stone and rub some lotion on them. Onions contain powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat calluses. Onion in half and rub it on the affected area. Then put on soak and let the onion work its magic. Do this once overnight before going to bed until the callus is gone. Garlic. Make a paste with 1 garlic clove and 1 spoonful of olive oil. Massage your callus with it, then wrap your foot. Let it sit overnight and don't rinse it off in the morning. Do this every day until the callus disappears.